The last type of pattern problems we're going to talk about are patterns as they relate to word problems. So let's look at a word problem together. Mrs. Saul is creating video lessons. While each of these video lessons is only 5 minutes long, there is some preparation work that goes into it. So it does take longer than 5 minutes to create each one. So Mrs. Saul is creating video lessons. It takes her 30 minutes to create 2 lessons, 60 minutes to create 4 lessons, 90 minutes to create 6 lessons, and so on. How long will it take her to create 9 lessons? So there's a few different ways that you can solve this problem, but I like to look at this one as kind of an input-output problem. So I'm actually going to create a table, and my input column is going to be the number of lessons, and my output column is going to be the time it takes to create them. So 2 lessons takes 30 minutes, 4 lessons takes 60 minutes, 6 lessons takes 90 minutes. And you might be thinking, well, I can do 8 lessons is 120 minutes. But the problem is we're not trying to figure out how many minutes 8 lessons will take. We're trying to figure out how many minutes 9 lessons will take. So just by looking at this, it looks like I can do, let's see, from 2 to get 30, I can multiply by 15. So I'm going to try the rule as times 15. Because 2 times 15 is 30. Let's see if it works for 4 as well. 4 times 15 is 60, and 6 times 15 is 90. So it looks like this rule as times 15 is actually working out for this problem. So the next number we can even jump up to 9. We don't have to do 8 like we would probably want to do 8 times 15 to get 120, but we don't need to now that we know that times 15 is the rule. So if I take 9 and multiply that by 15, I get 135. So the rule for this problem, or the answer to this problem, is 135 minutes, or if you want to convert that into hours and minutes, that would be 2 hours and 15 minutes. This is the type of problem where there are a few different ways to solve it, but sometimes it's easier to organize it in a table the way that I did and to figure out the rule for that table, and that will help you solve lots of word problems like this, where they start to get a little bit complicated, a little bit wordy. But if you just take your time and organize the information into a table, you'll find that it's probably very similar to an input-output table, and you can solve several word problems like this. So thanks for watching. I hope these videos were helpful to you.